Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Safari on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Safari. In the Safari settings, scroll to the bottom. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm your choice by tapping Clear History and Data. This removes browsing history and other website data. To check your data, click on Advanced button, then Website Data. Now you can see there is no data here. If you want to reset Safari entirely, go back to Settings, scroll to General, and then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then select Reset All Settings. This resets Safari and other app settings without deleting your data. That's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.